Materials needed is a white foam board from the Dollar Tree, your printed images on sticker paper, X-Acto knife, and a ruler. You want to start off by removing your image from the sticker paper and placing it onto the foam board. Try to center it as best as you can, then smooth it out, making sure you don't have any air bubbles, and you're going to repeat this process to all 3 of them. Once you have all your images placed, you want to get your ruler and X-Acto knife, and you want to cut them out. Usually a ruler really helps. It helps make sure that you're printing it out exactly where it's supposed to, you're cutting it out exactly where it's supposed to be cut, and that your cuts are sharp. For this last one, you're going to need to cut it in 2 pieces. You want to make sure you measure it and that it's even on both sides. These are going to be for your sides. Now you want to go ahead and cut out your window. And here I can see that my X-Acto knife is giving me a tough time cutting, which means I'm going to have to remove it and switch it out. It's very important to have a sharp X-Acto knife or a blade for these type of projects, especially if you're using the foam board from the dollar store. You can see it didn't cut all the way through. It's just really getting rough to cut now. Just trying to hurry up and get it all cut out. Once I get it all cut out, I'm going to go ahead and try to clean up as much as possible. Make sure all I'm getting nice sharp edges. Then you want to go ahead and cut out, clean out the mess that you made. Change your X-Acto knife blade so that you can get sharp edges when you're going to go ahead and cut out your push part. Making sure I got a nice clean cut. Now I did. I continue. And we're gonna have a nice clean piece cut out. I got all my pieces cut out. We're gonna go ahead and take this image that I decided to print out and use it as a wallpaper for our vending machine. And I really like it. It's really nice. It's gonna pop. So I'm just making sure I smooth it all out. No air bubbles, no creases. Really nice. Then you're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our sides and we're gonna go ahead and glue them to the side. And I'm gonna do this off camera. But you just wanna glue the sides to one of the bases. Once all the sides are glued, this is how it's looking. We're gonna go ahead and grab the door. And we're gonna go ahead and grab my plastic hinges that I purchased on Temu. So you're gonna need 2 for the door. You're gonna need 1 for the top and 1 for the bottom. And you're just gonna glue them on both sides. It's gonna allow the door to open freely, just like this. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our base. Our base on the bottom, we're gonna go ahead and glue that in there. And this is how it's looking. And I have one of the shelves. We're gonna get a shelf and we're gonna add it into the middle or the top of the machine. And this is how it looks. I added to the top a little bit more than to the bottom. Now this is acetate. It's gonna be for the window. We're just gonna take that, align the acetate, cut it out to its size. After it's cut out to size, you're gonna go ahead and glue that down. After you have it glued down, this is how it looks. It's really nice. This is the roof of the machine. We're gonna go ahead and add that to the top. This is how it looks after I glued it down. Last thing I need for my vending machine is the push part of the vending machine. We're gonna go ahead and add the push part. And off camera, I added the letters push onto the little door. The little push thingy there. This is a 360 for you guys. So cute. This is how it looks. Very nice. Another 360. And this is how it looks with some goodies.